running some silencers and some setups today. I'm running a Smith & Wesson with the SWR Warlock, GSG 1911 with the Monocore Baffle Helix. We got a Packlight upper here with the Helix, but the baffled system. We got a Beretta 21. We're running a Huntertown Arms Guardian 22. And we got a P22 with a Sparrow. Thank you. All right, here we go, guys.
All Gemtech subsonic ammo.
Yes.
Multiple different hosts, so they're going to sound a little different, but just so you guys get the idea.
Ready?